In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear lower control arm on this Chevy Trailblazer. This is part of your rear suspension located behind your rear wheel. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing we need to do is safely raise and support the rear of the vehicle so the suspension can hang. Now once we've done that, we'll continue on by using two 21 millimeters. One to remove the nut and one to hold the bolt head. Inspect your mounting hardware as you remove it, replace it as necessary. The next thing we'll do is apply a little bit of pressure underneath the differential. We're going to have to adjust the differential up or down a little bit so we can remove this bolt. Now we can follow that control arm forward. We'll be looking for the mounting bolt that goes through the frame, holding this in place. Once again, we're using two 21 millimeters for this. Keep in mind, once you loosen this, the arm will swing down. At this point, we can take hold of that arm, we'll give it a little wiggle and remove the mounting bolt. Now we can remove the arm from the frame. And there it is, friend. All right, let's get ready for the installation of our brand new lower control arm. We'll slide this into the frame, align your mounting bolt hole, and start in that mounting bolt. Now before we continue any further here, let's also bring the rear up and connect that in up along the rear differential. Start on both of the mounting nuts here. Now the next thing we need to do is extremely important. You want to have the vehicle's rear suspension in the original ride height position, so you can either lower the vehicle back down to the ground to tighten these, or just continue applying upwards pressure along the differential. Now that I have that in the original ride height position, we'll continue on to tightening these. Now with the rear suspension in the original ride height position, we can continue on snugging and torquing each one of these two bolts. The forward and the rearward bolts will be torqued to 74 foot-pounds. Now that everything's nice and tight, let's remove the support. Okay friend, we showed you how to do one side of the vehicle's lower control arms. The process is the exact same thing for the other side of the vehicle, assuming you're doing it. Once you've completed that, you can safely make your way out from underneath the vehicle, take it for a road test down to your local alignment shop. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.